Hello traders out there in Traderland. My name's D7 here at Grok Trade, and the markets go mostly bearish. It's Hump Day Wednesday, August 1st, 2018. And anyway, markets only one up, NASDAQ, everybody else bearish territory. Crude oil down 1.33%, gold down, silver down. VIX higher by 2.5%. We're over 13 now. Bitcoin at 7,500, down below 8,000. And GBTC is at $10. All right. I just got out of Colts trading camp. I'm here in Indianapolis, and I'm volunteering at the Colts training camp because they're near me. Anyway, that's why I've got the visor on, my volunteer shirt. Don't have my glasses on. Markets in bearish territory. The S&P, we're just down. It could bounce on us here. We're meeting the rising 20-day moving average. I'm gonna go quick because if I can get out of here quick enough, guys, I'm gonna go play racquetball. NASDAQ, remember the sell we put on it a couple days ago? Well, we are continuing lower. So. Or NASDAQ. This is the diamonds rather. We are dropping, so we'll see what happens there. NASDAQ have a sell on it, and starting to bounce here. Do I want to put a buy on that? I'm not going to put a buy on that. Russell's got a sell on it. Do I want to put a buy on this? I'm just not going to. I may tomorrow. We'll see. Let's go here to the Financials put a sell on it and starting to drop. US dollar, what do I have here? I got a sell on that. We'll stay with the sell. Crude oil, got a sell on it. Ooh, nasty little drop. Crude oil, gold. Oh, I have a buy on it. Ugh. Oh no. Oh no. Clean up these lines. I gotta get them cleaned up. Ones that I don't really care about anymore. Oh boy. Oh, I'm gonna stay with it. Gotta buy. I will stay with it right now, but that's risky. Silver. Gotta buy. Oh man. There's probably 13, 14 different things I'm analyzing right here on this chart. I'm going to stay with my buy. Oh, and that's very, very hard to do. VIX, got a buy on it. I'm going to stay with the buy. Bitcoin, oh boy, it's pulled back. It's a bull flag, but I'm good with this. Rising 20-day at support. Look for Bitcoin to rally, guys. Let's look. Dow 30. I'm moving quickly. Are you guys okay with me moving fast? Let's look at Apple. Apple's up, and away. So it blew up on us because we had sold it, took profits, missed out on that. But who cares? I don't care. No one knows what will happen on earnings. To play it, you might as well gamble. Go put your money on red or black at the roulette table. I'm telling you, it's a fool's game. AXP. We got a sell on it and it's dropping. Boeing got a sell on it and it's dropping. Whoops. Caterpillar got a sell on it and it's dropping. Had earnings. These are calls that I make publicly. These are the Dow 30 I'm going through right now. Cisco. Oh, Cisco now. I got a sell on it. I'm going to put a buy on Cisco. CVX got a sell on it. Could be a buy. Disney got a sell on it. I'm okay with that sell. DuPont, Dow got a sell on. I'm okay with that. GE is down 3%. I got a sell on it. Popped yesterday, but hit its at resistance. I'm good with the sell. Goldman Sachs got a sell on it. Oh, and there it's finally going to drop. There it goes. Home Depot. Okay, I'm going to stay with my sell on Home Depot. I'm going to stay with that. IBM. Got a sell on it. Ooh, that's good. We're at a support. Let's see what happens going into tomorrow. Have a buy on Intel, and it's going up, but that could be a sell because it's right at the 200-day moving average. Johnson & Johnson got a buy on it way down here at 121. We're at 132. Making some money, honey. JP Morgan, I have a sell on it. It bounced up on me today, though. I'll stay with my sell. Coca-Cola. Got a buy on it. I'll stay with my buy on Coca-Cola. McDonald's. Got a sell on it. Ooh, do I want to put a buy on this? Do I want to put a buy on it? Oh, no. 3M. Oh, I got a sell on it. Popped up yesterday. It's dropping. I got to stay with my sell. Merck, I got a buy on it. I'm going to stay with, oh no. Merck gets a sell. Merck gets a sell. So we got it at $60.50. We're out at 65. 65.50 cents. So 5 points. Microsoft got a sell on it. I'm good with that. Nike got a sell. Oh boy. This one's interesting. I'll stay with my sell, but that, oh no, boy. I'm gonna stay with my sell on Nike. Look at PFE. We're in at 36, and we're still in at 40. A few points there. The Dow 30 just doesn't move, man. They're blue chip stocks. This is Procter. It's the next one we're going to look at, NASDAQ. Those guys move. Travelers put a sell on it with the Bearish engulfing, and it did drop today by almost a full percent. UNH got a sell on it. Oh, UNH is in a lot of trouble, guys. UTX got a sell on it. It's going against me a little bit, but we took profits. We'll see if we can get back in. Visa got a sell on it. Popped up. I'll stay with my sell. Verizon got a sell on it. WBA, Walgreens got a sell on it. Man, it dropped today almost 2%. Walmart down 1% today. Got a sell on it. I'll stay with my sell. And Exxon got a sell on it. Ooh, big drop today, down 1.4%. All right, we're going to go into tech stocks. Now, there's some money-making movers on that, dude. A couple things before we get into it. If quiz, a lot of people are taking this. It's not easy. Answer these 5 questions. You first go to groktrade.com, but answer these 5 questions to know whether or not you have what it takes to be a savvy trader. I've been trading 20 years, been in business 11 years, teaching people. We have mentored thousands of people. This quiz will tell you if you should be a trader or not. We went from 4 questions to 5. That's all we need. Those 5 questions tells us everything we need to know about your personality. And we'll give you feedback with information. So it's a neat little quiz you can take. We're going to be in Vegas. Love to meet you. The only way for us to meet is go through our training, and that's in Vegas. And we even have a free day built in for trading together. And who knows what type of money we'll make that day. So anyway, you can... if you pass the quiz, the vetting process, the quiz you can take, you don't have to put in any personal information at all. You can just take it. But if you want information about mentoring, then yeah, you know how to contact us if you want to. We're going to go to tech stocks, tech stocks, Grok tech stocks. Let's see what we can find here. If you guys that leave comments and stuff, I appreciate that. I like it that you do it. I like it when you give me the thumbs up and when you give me thumbs down. Like if you're like, you just stink, D. then man, I get it. That's cool too. Apple up 6% today. I already looked at that. AMD got a sell on it on a shooting star reversal pattern. It dropped, but it's a pullback. This could be a buyer. Amazon. Whoa, hammer time, but it was under the 20. I did not. You know what? I'm gonna put Amazon as a buy. It's a little risky, but there it is. Baba. Got a sell on it. Ooh, and it keeps dropping. Baidu down 7%. Woo! Earnings bit it in the rear end. So, today's Wednesday, Tuesday, we put a sell on it. Why? Because it broke support, and it broke support and the 200-day moving average. Of course, you got to sell that. And we're glad we did. Sold it at 247. We're at 227. So 20-point gain on a short play on that one. And this is Priceline booking. We got a sell on it, and boom, boom, boom. Down. Cisco. Down. We put a buy on. Oh, we did that on the other one. Yes. Catfish. Got a sell on it. Oh, man, do I want to put a buy on that? Added a buy. eBay, got a sell on it. I'm okay with that. Facebook, sell on it, and it continues down. Google with an L, Alphabet, down. Everything's down. Yesterday, put a buy on the tweezer bottom, and what's called it's a bullish thrusting pattern, reversal pattern, and sure enough, today it popped. But earnings is tomorrow. So should you hold over earnings? You should know the answer to that. Microsoft already looked at. MU, Micron Technologies, got a sell on it. And today it broke support. There it is. Watch out. That dude broke the ice. Look for that to sink. NASDAQ, got a sell on it. Oh, do I want to put a buy on this? Do I? Netflix. Oh, I'm going to, because of its, no. There's a lot of things I could share. You get that in our mentoring. And NVIDIA, got a sell on it. NVIDIA has a good chance of popping there, but I'll keep my sell. Oracle, got a sell on it. This is PayPal, got a drop on it. Oh, PayPal is actually going to get a buy. Red Hat, I'm good with my sell. Shopify, broke yesterday. Boom. Earnings. Man, so glad to not be in that. So we sold it short at 160. We're at 136. So $24 gain point. Snap, got a sell on that one at $12.85, and we're at $12.35. Twitter, I have a sell on it, and we're under support. So it's done. No monologue, because, man, if I can do this video, I don't know if I even have time to go play racquetball. My time, Eastern, it's 7 p.m. Takes me about an hour to edit and publish. Oh, I tried to. Tried to do it. Man, ton of money out there, guys, in this market. You got to learn how to do it. You know what's interesting? So many of you guys, you just don't know what you don't know. It's funny because we just did a mentorship, and they all fill out reviews afterwards. And people, I just hear all the time. They're like, thank you so much. My eyes were open. I was in the fog. I was trading in the dark, and you just don't know what you don't know. That's probably the biggest hurdle. If you knew what you should know in trading, everybody would go to our training. Everybody would. 100% of you. I don't know, not 100. I'd say 90. There's 10% of you. There's nothing we can do to help you because you won't do anything to invest in yourself. That's just a fact of life. But the other 90%, just pragmatic thinkers out there, would be like, oh, man, that was certainly worth my time to look into. But anyway, I'm out of here. Take care, guys. We'll see you guys later. Bye.